Disabling two-factor authentication on Microsoft Teams can help streamline your login process. Follow these steps to turn off the security feature. Step 1. Sign into your Microsoft account. Go to the Microsoft account sign-in page and enter your credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, find the Security section in the Account Settings. This is usually located in the menu or dashboard of your account. Step 3. Access two-factor authentication options. In the Security Settings, look for the option related to two-factor authentication or Advanced Security Options. Click on it to proceed. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. Find the setting that allows you to turn off two-factor authentication. Follow the prompts to confirm your decision and disable the feature. Step 5. Save changes and log out. After disabling two-factor authentication, make sure to save your changes. Log out of your account and then log back in to ensure the settings have been updated. By following these steps, you can successfully disable two-factor authentication on Microsoft Teams. Always remember to keep your account secure with strong passwords and other security measures.